we even went to him with half girlfriend. He had signed it also. Everything was done. But I think somewhere down the line, last 1 or 2 years, he went through a very bad phase. Bad media reports, I think, really affected him. Some of the people's of the blind items, false accusations. He did the movie. Nobody wanted to do Kai Poche. He went to everyone. Not the kind of people I've seen, at least on TV, जो कहते हैं कि हम सुशांत से बड़े क्लोज थे. बस उछाल दी थी गन खबर और बच्चे को अफेक्ट हो गया उसे. अब कौन जवाबदारी देगा उसे? ओ हिट हो गई छिछोरे, पर सुशांत की वजह से नहीं हुई. सो देयर वर सम मेंटल हेल्थ इश्यूज फॉर श्योर. इंडिया का ही वर्ड है वो कि सबको अपनी औकात में रहना है, और वो औकात डिसाइड होती है आपका कहाँ जन्म होता है, आप कितनी इंग्लिश के साथ पढ़े हो. सुशांत को लगता था मेरे पीछे क्यों पड़े हैं, मैंने क्या बिगाड़ा इन लोगों का. स्टार किड्स वेटिंग टू हैपन, वो सब नहीं होगा हमारे घर में.
There has been this tremendous outrage, the unfortunate demise of Sushant recently.
Yeah.
And another case has gone to CBI, and not only in India but all across the world, people have been impacted and people have been really getting affected. He was part of Kai Poche, his first film.
Yeah.
How do you see this entire wave of?
Well, it's been more than 2 months now, and when it did, so one is my own personal experience, and the second is as a writer, my observations on what's happening in the country about it. So maybe I'll just split the answer into parts.
Sure.
Sushant represented aspiration of India. I think Sushant is that boy कि ये कर सकता है तो कोई भी कर सकता है. And like I said, some people are truly above in a way. Sachin and all also do that, but Sachin and all, we see him as very much above us. We see him as, we literally call him God because we believe his talent is God level talent. Not everyone has that, right? Sushant is also talented, but Sushant is also a result of hard work and dedication, which Sachin is also, but it is a little more relatable. Sushant's journey, engineering college, इधर से उधर गया, कभी टीवी गया, हाथ पैर मार के पहुंचा. And I think that's somewhere, that's how Indians do it. हाथ पैर मार के पता नहीं कहाँ होगा, especially जिसके कोई ज्यादा connection नहीं है. And I think you need people like that in the public eye so that people have hope. And I think Sushant represented that hope. And when he suddenly went like that, people got devastated because it was like एक अधूरे सपने कुचले गए, ऐसे टाइप एक फीलिंग आई लोगों में. And I think people felt that if he can't get justice, nobody can get justice. वो भी था कि he's such a big star and something seems odd about this case. All kinds of random people saying random things. तो कुछ तो गड़बड़ है. लेकिन अगर इस पे प्रॉपर कार्यवाही जांच नहीं होगी, इसका मतलब है इस देश में किसी भी केस पे अच्छी जांच नहीं होगी. So I think that's why everybody went after that case also now. One was the pain of losing him, and the second is feeling that he needs to get justice, like that Jessica case, you know, where people, it's not like everybody knew Jessica. Sushant, everybody like no more people knew him, but like people felt like if Jessica can't get justice, then no ordinary citizen can get justice in this country. And I think that's what's happening now as we speak. The Supreme Court has already laid out कि कैसे जांच होगी, कौन करेगा, CBI करेगा, जैसे भी होगा. So I think that's good. I think the case has become too high profile now that justice will happen now. Whatever has happened, justice will happen because it's just too high profile now. But at the same time, justice requires evidence. Justice requires a proper, findings, not theories, not like conspiracy theories, not like ये हो गया होगा, वो हो गया होगा. Those stories are, I mean, I can do those stories, but that's not the point. The court will demand, what was there a crime? Firstly, if there is no crime, if people are just bad, or people are badly behaved, or people are not nice people, or even if people were, I don't know, selfish and using him, there may not have been a crime as per the book of crime, which is the IPC, right? So people need to understand that कि वो crime establish करना जरूरी है कि crime हुआ है. दूसरी बात, crime हुआ है तो किसने किया है, क्या motive है? Okay, motive is important, but what is the evidence that he or she has done the crime? Without that evidence, it goes nowhere. Even if you have wonderful motives and wonderful theories and wonderful it will not go anywhere. Then I don't want people to feel disappointed, and I don't want people to feel that justice was not given, because without evidence, you should not reach a conclusion. That's what happened, you know. even in all the cases in the country, all the big cases. So that is what justice is, not just जो हम सोच रहे हैं सही है उसको सच मानो. That's not justice. Maybe we don't even know what has happened. Maybe the 5-6 theories that are floating around, उनमें से कुछ अलग ही हुआ हो सकता है. All I know is कि वो लड़के को affect किया था, जो उसका all the running down that happened for him and this that, and now this connects with the first part of your question. He just wanted to make it big. I was honestly very nervous when he did Kai Po Che. It was not an easy film to do. I mean, it's a film on riots and political and controversial. He didn't have a romantic lead. तो मेरे को लगा भी, मैंने उससे पूछा भी यार तूने ये वाली फिल्म क्यों ली डेब्यू के लिए. एंड ही सेड कि सर आपकी कहानी है, हम तो इंजीनियरिंग कॉलेज में आपकी बुक्स बहुत चलती थी. तो मेरे को लगा कि आई वाज रियली नर्वस. आई थॉट कि यार ये तो लड़का पूरा मेरी कहानी पे like he's bet on his life and my story is going to be a big part. अगर नहीं चली तो फिर मैं तो सरवाइव कर जाता फिर भी, क्योंकि मैं तो और चीजें करता हूँ, पर सुशांत के करियर को क्या होता. So I was nervous till the release, but Abhishek Kapoor made a fantastic film, made it a hit, and Sushant became a star. So that was very satisfying. And we even went to him with Half Girlfriend. He had signed it also. Everything was done, but he had also signed some other film, and some big clash of dates happened, and he chose to choose the other film. I think the other film was Rabta, if I'm not wrong. So he chose to do that. And यहाँ पे इधर का सब सेट हो चुका था, तो इधर का नहीं there's not just one person's dates, it's everybody's dates. So if there are 10 other actors in the movie, उन सबके date schedule, so he had to go. But I wanted to work with him. I spoke to him for Revolution 2020. He was very keen on it. But then I became busy with other books, and now we might make that movie. But if he was there, I would have definitely gone to him, because से बात की थी मैंने. But I don't know. So what happened? So I think somewhere down the line, last 1 or 2 years, he went through a very bad phase. Maybe the bad media reports, I think, really affected him. Some of the peoples of the blind items, false accusations, they are really hurtful. And I think blind items can't be defended. And मेरे जैसा मैं थोड़ा फिर भी बेशर्म हूँ. मैं जवाब देता हूँ, लड़ लेता हूँ, मेरी कंट्रोवर्सी होती है, मैं तड़ जाके जवाब देता हूँ. Whether it's right or not, मेरी भड़ास निकल जाती है. I went out. I think Sushant didn't vent it out. But it eats you up inside, and it's eating you, and making you weak. I don't know whether that meant he went into depression. Some are saying he did, some didn't. I'm not saying it. Maybe both are true. He went into depression. He became a very weak, broken person. Then people around him used him. That is very possible. Or he just went into depression and it just became really bad, and we reached this day. We don't know, and the Supreme Court has decided. Who will find out? Not all of us. So I think, but somewhere down the line, I feel really bad. Just a 7-year career. I've been writing before him, and I'm still here talking to you. And he came in the middle, and he rescued me. If you remember, Faridun, there was a 3 Idiots controversy on credit. We don't have to go in detail on that, but at that time also I had responded. So when I had responded, people said, you will be blacklisted in Bollywood. Nobody will work with you. Now, 2 people saved me. Abhishek Kapoor saved me because he made the movie. He said, when you were right, why should I boycott you? And Sushant. Of course, Rajkumar Rao, Amit said also, but Sushant was in the movie, and he did the movie. Nobody wanted to do Kai Po Che. He went to everyone. So he has rescued my Bollywood career. And of course, he also got launched in Kai Po Che. So we owe each other a lot. But to see his journey cut short like this it's devastating. I mean, Abhishek Kapoor used to say, "हम माँ की तरह हैं उसकी." एक तरह से फिल्म में हमने उसे जन्म दिया. So it was devastating to me when it happened. I didn't come then because then it's like you're trying to get publicity from somebody who's died. I've come now because I have a book coming, and I always come when there's a book coming. And I honestly didn't think that this case will be discussed for after 2.5 months also. But
it is being actively discussed as well.
Yeah.
So you spoke about the blind items and the accusations. You went through your share of accusations as well.
Yes.
And
Yes.
media reports were there. Do you feel a sense of identification with what Sushant may have gone through? Because he seemed to be distraught when the Me Too allegations came out, and even the
Yeah,
blind items, he was called skirt chaser, and certain blind items, I think they were really in bad taste.
I think it has now been proven
Do
that
you?
many people were a target of false accusations. Like I said, I always speak out. I spoke out. I had evidence. I gave out the evidence. I had more evidence. I didn't give that out, but I gave a little bit of evidence out, enough to prove that I was being targeted, and that was okay. And I went through some really bad times, but I came out of it. Sushant didn't give any evidence for a very long time. He later did. He later said after many days. But in these things, you have to act super quickly. You need an amazing group of people around you who support you and who are very smart. Not the kind of people I've seen at least on TV जो कहते हैं कि हम सुशांत से बड़े close थे. कई लोग तो ऐसे लगते हैं कि बाप रे, what was Sushant doing with these people? So so I was very lucky. I had some wonderful people, and I think Sushant didn't speak out in time, and it really affected him. And I find it baffling that a blind item like this can come. He's a single guy. He's very attractive. He's got a great body. He's sweet. He's good natured. He's down to earth. He will have a problem of female attention, that he has to go and molest women and do things without consent. A movie star will do that is so young and single. Like, I mean, what are you even talking about? What basis do you have for all this? But आ गया एक बार, तो अगले सोचते हैं यार इसको हम ले रहे हैं पिक्चर में, पता नहीं सेट पे क्या करेगा. अब वो सुशांत किस किस को जाके बताएगा, और क्या बताएगा, और क्यों बोल रहा है. अगर बोल दिया तो खबर बड़ी हो जाती है. So these things are criminal activity. Even these people they call themselves film critics, but that's not what they get paid for. You ask the people who are hiring them, they say, nobody cares about the reviews. They are saying we are hiring them because they have access to the stars. They have access to the stars. They can get them for conferences. They can get them for events. They can get them for interviews. So that these connections are there. Some of these critics, human beings are different. There can be some writers who are very bad. That doesn't mean मेरे को बुरा लगे ना. तो आपको भी नहीं बुरा लगना चाहिए, because वो लोग भी इंटरव्यू लेते हैं, आप भी लेते हैं. लेकिन those people have done very, very irresponsible things, and they are still around, and big stars interview with them. The same big stars who say कि mental health is so important, and they keep posting on their social media कि mental health awareness ये वो. Very nice. But you are going and giving interviews to that same guy who has done blind items based on false news. There was no evidence, ना. There was no evidence. कुछ कहीं नहीं गया वो. बस उछाल दी थी गंद खबर, और बच्चे को अफेक्ट हो गया उसे. अब कौन जवाबदारी देगा उसकी, अगर उस दिन से उसका. क्योंकि जब तक मैं जानता था फरीदून, 2013, 14, 15, 16, 17 also I met him. Right? He came home for my birthday, I remember. And I don't hang out with actors. I'll tell you honestly, I'm not a very inside Bollywood kind of person, you have to say. But I liked Sushant because, again, engineering college connection, Kai Poche connection, whatever. So we talked about doing maybe Revolution together or whatever. He was fine till then. After that ही हुआ है ना, और after that ये सारे blind item आए हैं. After that अच्छा, not just these ऐसे hit हो गई छिछोरे, पर सुशांत की वजह से नहीं हुई. Why? Why are you putting that? No, उसका तो नहीं है कुछ. So like commercially you're trying to hurt him, reputationally you're trying to hurt him. Why? Because it's masala for you? Because somebody has asked you to do? I don't know. But it affected that boy. And I know that it did affect him. So there were some mental health issues for sure. I'm not saying कि उसको उस वजह से he has died, but वहीं से उसका टूटना शुरू हुआ. और जब आदमी टूटता है तो फिर गलत आदमी आसपास आ जाते हैं. आप पैसे कमा रहे हो, आप स्टार हो, आपको यूज उनको समझ आ जाती है. आप टूटे हुए हो, आपको यूज करना शुरू कर देते हैं. So I think it's terrible what happened. I think it's absolutely terrible what they did to him in the media.
It is also you also tweeted that at least for Dil Bechara be nice in your reviews, and don't criticize just like that. So someone brought to my notice that some of the reviews about him, about his movies, they were reviewing him, and they were reviewing him like really really severely and disparagingly, and there was certain, so this entire trend where personalities are reviewed rather than the movies. What do you think about that?
I firstly on that tweet on Dil Bechara, don't play dirty tricks, be fair. मैंने ये नहीं कहा बी नाइस, मैंने ये भी नहीं कहा प्लीज प्रेज द फिल्म, मैंने ये नहीं कहा राइट गुड रिव्यूज, नहीं, दैट इज नॉट राइट टू से, आपको नहीं, आई जस्ट सेड बी फेयर और डोंट प्ले डर्टी ट्रिक्स जो करते हैं, कैसी टेढ़ी मेढ़ी लाइन लिख दी, कुछ कुछ डिसकनेक्टेड टू द फिल्म, जैसे आप कह रहे हो पर्सनालिटी के बारे में कुछ बोल दिया, उसके बारे में एक लूज कमेंट डाल दिया, ये सब मत करो। उसके लिए मुझे इतना बैकलैश मिला, इतना बैकलैश मिला, all these English speaking, those really anglicized critics, people who have platforms and they write, and they were going after me कि तुमने हमें ये कैसे कह दिया कि बी फेयर, आपकी हिम्मत कैसे हुई बोलने की बी फेयर। सॉरी सर, हमने कह दिया बी फेयर, फेयर ही बोला ना, ये तो नहीं कहा 5 स्टार दो, 4 स्टार दो, अच्छा दो, बी काइंड भी नहीं बोला यार, बी नाइस भी नहीं बोला मैंने बोला बी फेयर, डोंट प्ले डर्टी ट्रिक्स। उस बच्चे का आखिरी पिक्चर है, आज तो मत करना कि तुम अपने क्लिक बेटिंग कर रहे हो, कुछ ऐसा कमेंट लिख दिया कि उसकी वजह से आपका आर्टिकल पॉपुलर हो जाए, कंट्रोवर्सी हो जाए, यही रोक रहा था मैं, और रुक भी गई, नहीं किया किसी ने उसके बाद। लेकिन ऑफ कोर्स अब आई एम नॉट, बट यू नो फरीद, उनके ब्रॉडर इशू ये है कि हमारा देश ना एक हर चीज में कास्ट सिस्टम बना देता है, एक जमींदारी स्टाइल से चलता है। एक वर्ड है, आपने शायद मेरी टॉक्स में भी देखा होगा, औकात, जो इंडिया में ही होता है, वो वर्ड औकात है, इंडिया का ही वर्ड है वो, कि सबको अपनी औकात में रहना है, और वो औकात डिसाइड होती है आपका कहाँ जन्म होता है, आप कितनी इंग्लिश के साथ पढ़े हो, कितनी इंग्लिश आपने घर में सुनी है, बोली है, आपके पास कितने पैसे थे, आपके पापा मम्मी किसको जानते थे, आपका क्या प्रोफाइल था सोसाइटी में, और उससे आपकी औकात आपकी पीठ पे एक ठप्पा लगा के छाप दी जाती है, एंड वही आपकी औकात रहती है। आज मैं जितना भी सक्सेसफुल हो जाऊं, मेरी 2004 से 2020 तक बुक हाईएस्ट सेलिंग है, आई डोंट थिंक 17 साल में this the number one selling book is Chetan Bhagat. I break the record of my own books only. The next guy is 1/3 of where I am. But लिटरेरी कम्युनिटी में मेरी औकात मान ली गई, ये देसी लड़का लगता है, ये मिट्टी से आया हुआ है, ये मिट्टी से आया, तो जितना भी मेरा सक्सेस हो जाए औकात उतनी रहेगी। कास्ट डिस्क्रिमिनेशन भी तो यही है, रिलीजियस डिस्क्रिमिनेशन भी तो यही है, कि आप जितने भी पहुंच जाओ, अपनी काबिलियत जितनी दिखा दो, जितना अच्छा काम कर लो, लेकिन रहोगे तो आप वही, उसी जात के, उसी धर्म के और उसी मिट्टी के, तो वो है इशू। सुशांत भी रहेगा वही पटना का लड़का जिसकी औकात नहीं थी स्टार बनने की। आप डाइनिंग टेबल पे आके बैठ के आपने हमारे सबके साथ खाया कैसे, आपकी इतनी हिम्मत कैसे हुई कि आपने इतना हुनर दिखा दिया कि आज आप डाइनिंग टेबल पे बैठ गए हो, आप जमीन पे बैठ के खाओ। चलो आपने बैठ गए हमारे साथ, चलो कोई इसकी रोटी छीन लेगा, कोई इसको कोहनी मारेगा, कोई कुछ करेगा, अगर उसने आवाज उठाई, तुम कैसे बोल सकते हो? सुशांत, मैं, हम उस मिट्टी के आए हुए लोग हैं, और ये मेरा बैटल बहुत पहले से चल रहा है अपनी फील्ड में, ऐसा नहीं है। एंड ये भारत इसी से बना है, और ये बदल रहा है धीरे धीरे, क्योंकि आप 1 बिलियन या 1.4 बिलियन लोगों में आप टैलेंट को दबा के नहीं रख सकते कि ऊपर की जमींदारी ही चलाएगी, और वो जमींदारी बहुत डरी हुई है, क्योंकि उस जमींदारी को अपना देखना है, अपने बच्चों का देखना है। मुझे लगता है कि मुझसे डरते हैं, अच्छी बात है, मेरे लिए वो एक फेदर इन द कैप है कि मुझे वो एक्सक्लूड कर रहे हैं, मेरे बारे में गंदा लिख रहे हैं, मुझे टारगेट कर रहे हैं, लेकिन मैं अलग चीज मिट्टी का बनाऊं। और सुशांत को उल्टा लगता था, सुशांत को लगता था मेरे पीछे क्यों पड़े हैं, मैंने क्या बिगाड़ा इन लोगों का, मुझे क्यों तंग कर रहे हैं। मतलब वो गांधी जी टाइप होता है ना, कि एक चांटा मारो तो दूसरी चीख दे दो, वो थोड़ा उस कैटेगरी में था। मेरा है कि एक चांटा मारो तो मैं 10 वापस मारूंगा ताकि अगली बार ना मारो, लेकिन अच्छा नहीं लगता है हमें भी, ऐसा नहीं कि हम फील नहीं करते, बट दिस इज व्हाट वाज गोइंग ऑन, एंड आई थिंक दैट इज व्हाई इंडिया इज राइजिंग। व्हाई डू यू थिंक इंडिया इज राइजिंग सो मच? बिकॉज दे फील कि क्या हुआ है, दे नो क्या हुआ है, क्योंकि उसको उसको बोलो कि तेरी औकात कैसे हुई कि तुमने इतने बड़े बड़े सपने देख लिए भाई। तुम देखोगे तो हमारी जात का क्या होगा, हम तो सबसे एलीट है, सारी अपॉर्चुनिटीज, ऑल द सारे अवसर हमारे हैं। So I think that's the tragic
You know, you also made
backstory
a
here.
you also made a shocking revelation that you were contemplating suicide during the Three Idiots credit controversy.
Yeah, you know me, you remember me at that time, फरीदून। क्या हाल था मेरा, कैसे मैं आपको मैसेज भेजता था, क्या हाल था? You were like a friend, you were also new in this kind of what you do now. I was also kind of new, and you said you were very young and you said हाँ यार मैंने and you used to read books. मेरे को बॉलीवुड में लोग ही नहीं मिल रहे जो बुक पढ़ते हैं, आपने पढ़ी हुई थी बुक पहले से, तो यू आई रिमेम्बर एंड आई वाज वेरी ब्रोकन एंड आई बिकॉज द सेम, अगर आपने आवाज दी तो आपके साथ तो छोड़ आपको कभी काम ही नहीं मिलेगा। तो मैं पहले चुप भी रहा एक हफ्ता मैं चुप रहा, लेकिन उनसे जब किसी ने पूछा प्रोड्यूसर वगैरह से कि भाई ये चेतन भगत कह रहा है ये क्या है, तो उसकी बुक टाइप है, उसने अरे डोंट टॉक अबाउट दैट लायर। वो क्लिप टीवी पे आ रहा था और मेरे जुड़वा बच्चे तब 4 साल के थे, और उसपे ना क्लिप के नीचे सब टाइटल लगाते तो लिखा हुआ था कि चेतन भगत इज अ लायर। तो मेरे बच्चों ने नया नया एबीसी सीख रहे थे स्कूल में, या उन्होंने मुड़ के मुझे कहा, मे बी दे वर 5-6 years old, दे सेड डैड आर यू अ लायर। मतलब मेरे को इतना बुरा लगा, मैंने कहा यार अब तो मेरे को नहीं फर्क पड़ता कभी कोई पिक्चर बने ना बने, मैं बोलूंगा। उसके बाद मैंने मीडिया से बात शुरू की और मैंने बोल दिया और मैं बच गया। लेकिन अगर नहीं बोलता तो मैं भी घुट घुट के, अगर मेरे को उस वक्त फरीदून को ही कहता अरे यार दम घुट रहा है तेरा, कुछ बोल मत, ये ले 2 गोलियां खा ले डिप्रेशन की, ठीक हो जाएगा। और वो गोलियां रोज खाते रहे तू अगले 5 साल, क्योंकि तेरे को तो वो गम तो नहीं मिटेगा तेरा। तो मैं 2 खा ली, फिर आज 2 से काम नहीं चल रहा, चल अब 4 खा ले, चल ये और खा ले, चल ये खा ले, अब ये ट्राई कर लेते हैं, चल तेरे को वहां ले जाता हूँ। अच्छा तेरे को समझ नहीं आ रहा, तेरे दिमाग नहीं चल रहा, मैं तेरे लिए डिसाइड करता हूँ। आसपास तुम्हारे चमचे खड़े हो गए। I could have had the same end. Only thing is, some people, including some journalist friends, frankly, they said चेतन बोल दे कोई बात नहीं। शायद वो अपने लिए स्टोरी ढूंढ रहे हो सकता है, लेकिन they said बोल दो, आप बोल दो, नहीं बोलोगे तो बहुत। and I'm so happy I said it, because I may not have been around, I was the same age as Sushant at that time, I was also 34. So yeah, it's a very it's rough when people treat you unfairly at that level publicly.
Do you see any changes happening now? Do you think that things should be more professional and they should be because
Yes.
in other countries, and say US for example, or other countries, um, if anything of this sort happens, serious repercussions can be there.
It can't happen in the US. It cannot happen only because in the US the writer's credit comes by rule the 4th last credit of any movie. When the opening credits are coming, last director होगा, second last producer होगा, ऐसे third fourth writer का होगा, ये यूनियन का रूल है। और फॉन्ट साइज भी सेम होगा और कलर भी सेम होगा, इतना स्पेसिफाइड है, क्योंकि ये सारे चक्कर वहां चल चुके हैं। मेरे 3 इडियट्स कंट्रोवर्सी के बाद राइटर के साथ बेटर ट्रीटमेंट होता है, क्रेडिट का इशू नहीं हुआ उसके बाद, ज्यादा हुए हैं 1-2 पर बहुत कम। दैट इज इम्प्रूव। आई टेल यू अनदर थिंग, सुशांत के जाने के बाद भी फर्क पड़ा है। ये मेरी 9th बुक आ रही है, वन अरेंज्ड मर्डर, एंड जब मैं ट्विटर पे बुक अनाउंस करता था कमाल की ट्रोलिंग होती थी। बुक आई नहीं है अभी, सिर्फ कवर लगा रहा हूँ, नाम बता रहा हूँ, गालियां, ये क्या घटिया किताब है, ये देखो ये फिर आ गया, ऐसे ये वो, ऐसे गन बला बोलना शुरू। मेरे को लगा इस बार भी करेंगे, और इस बार तो मुझे लगा ज्यादा भी हो सकता है क्योंकि मैंने दिल बेचारा के टाइम बोला। बट इस बार कोई ट्रोलिंग नहीं हुई, कुछ नहीं हो रहा है। इनफैक्ट ओनली पॉजिटिविटी ऑन ट्विटर ऑल्सो, other platforms, Insta and all is always positive, but that I think is because it is not cool to piss on the work of self-made Indians anymore. You can't do that anymore. कोई self-made Indian अगर एक मुकाम पे पहुंचा है तो बहुत स्ट्रगल, बहुत मेंटल एंजाइटी, बहुत मेहनत के बाद पहुंचा है। आप उसके काम को ऐसे खिल्ली नहीं उड़ा सकते जस्ट बिकॉज आप थोड़ी अंग्रेजी बोलते हो, या आपके थोड़े दोस्त हैं जो अंग्रेजी बोलते हैं और वो ट्विटर पे आपके एक सब करेंगे, या एक अपने आप को आप एलीट मानते हो और बोलते हो ये कौन है धरती के लोग, ये कहाँ से ऊपर आ गए। आई थिंक इस लड़के के जाने के बाद all that has stopped. There'll be no more blind items since he's gone, and I don't think there will be. So I think there are changes that have happened. Yeah, at a very high cost. We didn't have to lose him. हम खुद वैसे भी बदल सकते थे, लेकिन बदलाव आया है।
What is the best memory of Sushant that you have?
Best memories are very silly memories, like in the Kai Po Che party, success party was there, and he was first film, and छोटी सी success party थी, कोई बड़ी budget की picture भी नहीं थी, and he was there and I was there, and he was very fit, and I went up to him and I said very good यार, अब मुझे तू please पतला होने के tips दे, and so he gave me a lot of tips and he said कि ऐसे खाओ और ऐसे करो और वो करो, वो बड़े अच्छे से समझा रहा था, and उस ऐसे सर भी बोले जा रहा है लेकिन बताया भी जा रहा है मुझे, so I am taking lessons from him but he is calling me sir, It was very sweet. बड़े अच्छे से समझाता था कि ऐसे करो, ऐसे करना है, यहाँ पे ये खाना है, ऐसे मत खाया करो, ये मत करा करो। उससे ज़्यादा बोल भी नहीं सकता ना कि ऐसे सच ज़्यादा मत खाओ। पर but he is very sweet. Like those kind of things we used to talk about. I think that was a very sweet memory I had with him.
You spoke about your children. Now, what sort of impressions do they have now? You are a very public figure. Things are written about you. Many of them, they are very, very positive. But now they're in Singapore. What sort of relationship do you share with them now?
Yeah, and they're 16 now. Yeah, I mean, they're
Mm.
not exactly even children. They're like big boys now. Firstly, I think kudos to my wife also, Anusha, who's also from IIM Ahmedabad, who's also very educated. She's always emphasized the value of education on my kids and कि तुम्हें खुद ही करना है जो करना है. And I think that's part of the reason we said कि after a certain age, they were in Bombay and they were studying in Cathedral. And then we said कि चलो अभी Singapore, because to keep them away from that whole Bollywood and Bandra and the whole Papa famous type culture. Now they are ठीक है मतलब हैं यहाँ पे and maybe दो चार लोगों को पता है but like not too much and even if they know they don't care. So I think we are trying to bring them up in a way that their father doesn't seem different from other fathers in the sense that he's popular or famous or anything. So I think that we managed to achieve. They're not on social media. You know, they're not like star kids waiting to happen. वो सब नहीं होगा हमारे घर में. वो ये नहीं चलता है हमारे यहाँ. At least that's the plan right now. They both love computers. They're both into tech big time. So they want to study tech and they want to do computer science. And I was like, yeah, please do it.
Any of them interested in writing?
I know. I think we're a very bad role model. They're like, I'm going to, yeah. And I don't discourage them and I don't encourage them. I'm like, you know, ठीक है, अपनी पकड़ो line, अपनी line पकड़ो, ठीक है. And I do feel like, you know, writing is not that easy to be transferred hereditary. That's why इतना nepotism possible ही नहीं है यहाँ पे, क्योंकि शक्ल फिर भी, you know, it reminds you of that star and you're like a younger, cuter version of your parent which is loved by the country. So वो एक अलग उसका एक charm है शायद, maybe. Even the babies of stars are famous, but because of the looks. But writer, it's not, or direction even, it's not a skill that is passed through the genes. I don't think so. That's why you haven't had that many children of writers who are writers. That many नहीं होते. Actor के बहुत होते हैं.
So thank you very much for your time, Chetan, and
Thank you.
congratulations for an arranged murder.
Thank you, Faridun, for covering a big range of issues. And I watch your interviews, and I must say you have enormous patience and you have enormous range. Like you can talk to me about writing and characters, and you can also cover Sana Khan and Melvin Lewis, which is like, like I don't know why I watched it, but I did, and it was really engaging content, if nothing else, whatever it is. And you carry it all, and you do it with a calm smile, and you give everybody a lot of dignified hearing. I find it very funny and cute, and I think it's very good. You can interview the biggest star and give them the questions that they don't feel, array, this person is uninformed, but you can also do the most happening controversy in town and turn it into a viral video. That's good. It's good. And still you don't make personal attacks. You don't gossip. You don't talk about stars. You know, you don't go in that zone, which is very good.
You know, quite a few of the blind items about Sushant, I came to know after he passed away because I'm not interested in reading them. I've never believed in them in the first place. And I thought they were very distasteful, honestly. And I hope this blind culture should go.
Yeah, you know, you can have a little bit chote mote. You know, oh, he has a girlfriend and he gifted her I don't know. You can have those cute things. Like something personal, he gifted her a nice watch on her birthday. And this, like, शायद वो लोगों को पता नहीं है. It's okay. To make an allegation, to make criminal allegations on someone without any name, without any defense, without any evidence, and you know it's a star, so it will get taken seriously. These things are meant to be taken seriously. So you can't. That's not just a blind item. That's like a criminal activity, I feel.
Thank you very much, Chetan. All the best and enjoy Singapore. Bye. Thank you. Thanks, man. Thank you.